What the fuck's up, bro? And welcome to What the Hell's in This Box. Aw, sick! It's got a sticker. Wow. Oh, shitty shit, yo. Magazine, yo, let's just say, real quick, not even before we get to this thing, shouts out to Sweetwater for just
fucking it up.
Yeah, just for with so much cacophony. Here is Behringer U-Phoria UMC404HD. Okay. Is a fucking USB interface. It's got 4 inputs, and I'm just gonna fucking set it up. All right. I promise I'll be better for you guys.
Box.
Some extra fucking stickers and some paperwork, which I'll figure it out on my own. Alright, it's got a power source, that's fucking nice. And also, always make sure, little tech thing for the people, to check what your power source is. So this is a 5 volt. So this thing runs off a 5 volt power source. If you aren't using that, you could potentially mess up your gear. So just always keep it in mind. I'm not gonna tell you what to do, I'm not your dad. There's a nice little cardboard box in it for, you can put your weed in there. USB A to B, okay, so this is just your traditional way to plug in a USB interface. Basically, we'll go USB into your computer and then the A cable, A to B, whatever that is. I don't know, I'm not a doctor. Right, well, this thing is, I guess, having such a long, lengthy boy. It's a long boy.
As tall as your dad.
It's as tall as my dad. Alright, some sick ass fucking bio-friendly styrofoam. Oh wait, no, this is not bio-friendly. But it says recycled. I don't know, Behringer. Answer for yourselves. Is that safe for the environment? When you're doing the old open arena, as they say. Ooh, shit, it feels good. It feels like if I'd thrown it on the ground maybe once.
They bring snacks.
It would be saucy. Do not eat these. Alright, so, wow, this is pretty neat. So on the back here, we have our main outs, which are both either TRS, balanced left-right, or XLR, balanced left-right. These current monitors we have, which I can talk about later in another video, are JBLs. They have both options as inputs, so that's neat, you know, if you're one of those type of people. Also has 4 inputs, or 4 inserts on the channels, which if you had any like extra outboard gear you wanted to hook it to, you could put that pre the input of your interface. You have your playback outputs as well, which are, it looks like RCA, and also balanced 1/4 inch. Or TRS. MIDI, phantom power, which looks like for this, it's phantom power to all or phantom power to none. Common misconception, you can run phantom power to most things, but it's just kind of at your own risk. So if you know for a fact you have like a really nice mic that you don't want, like a ribbon mic, don't fucking leave this on. But again, if you're using ribbon mics, you probably shouldn't be using U-Phoria UMC404HDs as interfaces. I'm not saying that as a shot, I'm just saying that as a fact. USB port is something you have to put some respect on some shit. So boom, right in the back here. Make sure I plug that in right.
When you put it in, when you put it in the chrome, when you put it in the chrome,
Like a hentai video. It's a little funny in my opinion. It looks like it is powered. Also, I'm going out the headphone amp right here, or the headphone output, into my headphone amp. So I have 4 extra channels of
headphoning.
Product testing. Know everything. Also, I should read the manual. I'm not gonna. Yeah, that shit fits in there nice and tight. So if you're a small boy running off a little fucking surge protector or something, not trying to fucking impress your mom, you know, or anything, It'll fit nice and tight right in there. This is not a studio review, it's a product test. So I got it powered in now. That's where that goes right there next to the USB in. And then we're gonna go our main outs. Right now, I have my main outs right here. So this is going to be okay.
Each time those go in.
Clip them, clink them, get them in there, you know? Make sure they're really in there. Bring up this little boy. I already have a Logic session open. So this is just literally, I just plugged this in. You guys all fucking saw it. I'm not bullshitting you. What I'm doing right now. Is it plug and play? Ah! Alright, so it's turned on. Alright, we're gonna pull up a new session and see how well that works. A sample here. Oh, also, just a little tidbit here if you're macking around. Go into your system preferences, which will be located up here. I should start recording my screen too. System preferences. Recording. And then you're gonna make sure you click it onto that. So, click it to the current interface you are using. So right now I have the mains all the way down. So it looks like we have the option to boom. So it looks like here it has either the mix, which you can sum to mono, which is kind of fresh, mix it in the MIDI out as the main out, and then your headphones out. So in theory, if I turn that knob up, in theory, if I turn that little nibbly knob right there, it should. Okay, so it looks like it's the bottom knob. And then this is your mix between, I'm assuming if you were recording what you would be sending to your monitors. So it's nice because it gives you kind of a little studio setup. Yeah, so I'm just gonna loop what I have here. I fuck with that. Let's just like that.
It sounds like a movie music song.
Oh, that's almost makes it. That's as far up as I would probably be willing to turn it, but that's almost all the way up on the interface. I normally use a K6. I have it maybe about 50% up in this room. So I would say for the output, it's not necessarily super hot, which is a big thing that I wanted to test. So not super hot output, but it does still get it bumping. So I'm gonna bump like a song real quick that's already pre-finished so I can just kind of have an idea.
Maybe something by Squeak.
Shut the fuck up, camera guy. Oh my god, how dare you brand us like that? Okay, so this is a song.
This is a song?
Decent.
This is actually a low-key cut into a music video. This whole video up until now.
Decent, dude. Volume wise. So yeah, I mean, you can get it up there. I want to now check my headphones as well. So I'm gonna send it to those, turn this bad boy down. Right now I'm just gonna do a signal test. I'll get into the nitpicky of that later. That just started really quickly over there, so I'm assuming those are pretty hot. So make sure also you turn your fucking volume all the way down so you don't cause a feedback loop. Alright, so I have a handy dandy little Bluebird, right? Require phantom power. And there's a little switch in the back there. Boom, so I have that bad bitch on. Okay, now you're a rock star. Get your game on, go play. So it looks like it has a pad. So yeah, it says line nerve instrument. We're gonna do line for this mic test. I'm gonna turn up this input about where I would normally turn up my input on my microphone. And then let me give Aaron these headphones. And then Aaron, just go ahead. Is it loud?
It's, yeah, I mean, it's pretty much the same volume I'd hear as talking, it just, they keep me here against my will.
Alright, so I'm running my regular ass vocal chain on this.
They keep
But
me here
you know
against
what?
my will.
Okay, so this is just raw and without any effects or anything.
I'm not getting paid, and they keep me here against my will. I'm not getting paid, and they keep me here against my will.
So it sounds like there's some weird shit going on in the vocal.
They keep me here against
Looks like there's some rumble.
I'm not getting paid, and
Cut
they
that out.
keep me here against my will.
And
I'm
then
not getting
obviously
paid,
the vocals
and
are hitting around 1K.
they keep me here
So-
against my will.
Turn that up
I'm
a little
not
bit.
getting paid, and they keep me here against my will.
Decent.
I'm not getting paid.
Overall, I need to obviously test this a little bit more, and I will go through and do that. However, off bat, just plugged it in, working decent.